Good morning and welcome to another installment of Countdown to Christmas with JWH Millinery, and let's crack on with this video. So it is the 4th of December, so that means box number 4. Oh, I don't want to shake it too much. So, I kind of mentioned this day one. You are going to see a lot of this branding. I do work for Sugarsin in my day job, because obviously I have to, because this does not pay the bills. So you are going to see a lot of branding. I am not affiliated. Well, I am affiliated to Sugarsin, but I'm not sponsored, nor am I promoting them. I'm just using their boxes, and I have in this box 2 presents. So we have a pack of no, what are these? These are not cork feathers. A pack of feathers. I think these are goose feathers. Could be wrong. Ooh. That's a nice colour as well. And we also have some red Fimo, which I love working with Fimo. I haven't done it on this channel, actually, I don't think. So if you want to see any sort of how to make trims with Fimo, let me know. I love working with Fimo to make things. So yes, I can always put something together for you. So today's question of the day is, what is your favourite book? So I'm assuming I'm going to take this millinery wise, and I actually have this. The Art of Manipulating Fabric. I just love, I mean, it's black and white, but I just love all the different things that you can do. It teaches you about pleat. I mean, it is mainly for clothing, but the techniques can be used in millinery, so that is one of my favourite books. I do have others, but this I've had it a while now, and it is a favourite of mine. So yeah, found on Amazon. Yeah, so and that was submitted by Claire42. So yes, thank you very much, guys, for joining us today on the 4th. This also is tonight I will be going out with my work for a Christmas dinner, which I am working tomorrow, so let's see how that works. So it could get a little bit messy, so hopefully tomorrow I should be fine. Thank you very much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. We're uploading videos every day in December. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. For the month of December, we are posting at 8 AM UK time every day. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.